Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. The Agni is coming from Krishna. Mahi, the earth, it is coming from Krishna. Agni, Mahi, Gagana, the sky, it is coming from Krishna. Ambu, water, is coming from Krishna. Agni, Mahi, Gagana, Ambu, Marut, air is coming from Krishna. Because it is coming from Krishna, it is not different from Krishna. Everything is Krishna. But when you taste the air, breathing, and the water, and the earth, and the fire, you cannot say, because the air is coming from Krishna, and water is coming from Krishna, so either I may be in the air, or in the sea, it is all the same. We are living in air. But if I think that the air and the water is the same, I jump over the ocean, that is not very good idea. But actually, air is also Krishna, water is also Krishna, earth is also Krishna, fire is also Krishna, because they are all Krishna's energy. So, in this way, if we try to understand that Panchatattva, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda. This is Panchatattva. Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Sri Nityananda, Sri Advaita, Sri Gadadhar and Shivasadi. Shivasadi means Jiva Tattva. The Jiva Tattva, Shakti Tattva, Vishnu Tattva, these are all Tattvas. The Panchatattva. Sri Krishna Chaitanya is the supreme Tattva, Krishna. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna nahe anna. We are worshipping Radha Krishna. So, Sri Krishna Chaitanya is Radha Krishna combined. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna nahe anna. Radha Krishna pranaya vikiti allahadini shakti rasma ekatmanavapi deha vedu gato chaitanya ka prakata madhuna taddayam chaikamam. Radha Krishna is the supreme. When Krishna wants to enjoy, they enjoy. Bhoktaram jagadavasam sarvalokumayasram. He is enjoyer. So, when he wants to enjoy, that is not material enjoyment, that is spiritual enjoyment, superior energy, not material energy. Because Krishna is the supreme, therefore he enjoys the superior energy. So the Radha Krishna Lila is not material. One who understands Radha Krishna Lila as material, they are misled. Krishna cannot enjoy anything material. If you say that we are seeing daily that we are offering prasadam, the vegetable rice, they are all material. No, they are not material. This is real understanding. How it is not material? That is achinta, inconceivable. Krishna can turn material into spiritual and spiritual into material. That is Krishna, inconceivable by Achinta Shakti. Unless you accept Achinta Shakti of Krishna, you cannot understand Krishna. Achinta Shakti. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.